Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 14th, 2024, and we're looking at our macadamia tree. This tree is growing here in Florida. It's looking pretty good. It's an evergreen. I didn't know that before I started growing this. But this is our tallest one on the property. And what do you have here? I didn't know it was going to do this, but it's shooting off some pups from the base, from the root ball. So that's really interesting. That means that even if this one died here, I would still have the opportunity to grow these. Now we're just growing this macadamia in this Florida sugar sand. Basically it's that right there. Nothing special. It's just the sugar sand. See? It's real interesting. So anyhow, the macadamia will produce some nuts. We're here at zone 9A 10B border, so it gets a little bit cold during the winter. Last winter we didn't get temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which was odd. But going forward, that should change because we're always going between El Nino and La Nina weather cycles. This year we haven't had any hurricanes. Hopefully we won't have any because the danger zone is still through October and I think a little bit of November. Anyhow, you can check the backstory on our macadamia grow process. It was quite the challenge to get the seeds germinated, so be aware there. But once you get them going here in Florida, they grow. So the backstory is at the end of this video at the top right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I will keep you updated on the progress of our macadamia trees. Have a great day.